Trying to send a friend request on Facebook, but it just won't go through? Don't worry. In this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to fix it so you can start connecting again. Stick with me till the end to make sure you don't miss any key setting. First, check your internet connection. Make sure your connection is stable. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or go ahead and restart your router. Next, let's check if your account has any Facebook restrictions. Open the Facebook app. At the bottom right, tap on the menu icon. At the top, tap on your profile name to open your profile page. Now tap on the three dots beside Edit Profile. From the menu, tap on Profile Status. If you see a green check mark, your account is in good standing. But if it shows a red X, that means your account has temporary restrictions and you may be blocked from sending friend requests. Now let's review your privacy settings to make sure there aren't any limits there. Tap on the menu icon again at the bottom. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. Scroll to the Audience and Visibility section. Now tap on How people can find and contact you. Under that, tap Who can send you friend requests. If it's set to Friends of Friends, go ahead and change it to Everyone. This ensures no limit on who you can send friend requests to. At this point, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button now so you don't miss future tech tips like this. If you've done all that and it's still not working, it's time to report the problem directly to Facebook. Tap the menu icon once again. Scroll down and tap on Help and Support. From the list, tap on Report a Problem. At the bottom, choose Continue to Report. From the next screen, tap Don't Include when asked about system logs. Then select Friend Requests from the options. Now briefly describe your issue, something like, I'm unable to send friend requests even though my settings are correct. Finally, tap Send. That's it. Facebook will typically review and resolve your issue within 24 hours, and your friend requests should start working again. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and let me know what topics you'd like me to cover next. Hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this.